Welcome to SADESIGN channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the way to create a realistic rainbow for your old photo in Photoshop. First step, create a new layer with this little icon over here. Pick up gradient tool, choose arrow icon to drop the box, then move to the wheel icon on the right side, select special effect, append. Now scroll down to the preset box and pick up the last one, which is the color of the rainbow. Make sure to choose the radial gradient icon over here before applying the gradient. Next, draw a long line from the bottom to the top for creating the rainbow. Ctrl T to expand the horizontal and adjust the position a little bit. Create a new layer mask with this icon. Use gradient tool. Change preset to the first one is the foreground to background. Change to linear gradient. Ensure foreground color should be black. Then, draw another trace line just at the first one. You can use eraser tool to remove some areas that you want. Make sure white in the foreground color and opacity around 30%. Change blend mode to screen. Duplicate it with Ctrl or Command J to enhance the color and brightness. On top layers, change to overlay in blend mode. Reduce the opacity to 60%. Put two top layers into group and create a white layer mask. We'll fade the color of the rainbow on the left side. To do that, currently we still use gradient tool, because we want to fade gradually from the left of the rainbow. Foreground color should be black. There you go. Hope you like this video. Hit like and subscribe to our channel to get more and more tips day by day. Thanks for watching.